Hello, this is Mr. Molo for lesson 12-3, probability. Alright, so this is our last lesson for 7th grade, and it's kind of a review of something we already did for 6th grade. So if you remember, there's two kinds of probability. We have theoretical and experimental. So theoretical is what should happen. So if we flip a coin twice, we should get a heads and a tails. If we roll a dice 6 times, we should get 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Experimental is what actually happens. So if I flip a coin, can I get 2 heads in a row? Sure, sometimes it'll happen. But the math tells us that it shouldn't happen. Okay, so if I have something like this, so the probability of getting a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, so total number of options. So if I want to roll a 1, well, I only have one shot at rolling a 1 out of the 6 sides on the dice. Rolling a 4, well, there's 1 4 on the dice, and there's 6 sides total. So all of them are going to be pretty much a 1 out of 6. Something like this, what's the probability of rolling an even number? Well, on the dice I have a 2, 4, and a 6, so there's 3 even numbers, and there's 6 sides still on a dice, so 3 out of 6, or 1/2. Yes, you want to simplify. Same thing with an odd number. There's 3 odd numbers out of 6, so still 1/2. So half the time you'll get an even, half the time you will get an odd. Rolling not a 2 or 3, which means I can get a 1 or 4 or 5 or 6. That gives me 4 options out of 6. Just 2/3 of the time I would get not a 2 out of 3. Let's try this one. So is this a fair race? So roll the dice. If a 1 or a 2, the green card will go. If it lands on 3, 4, 5, or 6, the red card will go. Is that fair? Well, no, it's not going to be fair because this car will move 4 times for every 6 rolls, and this car will move 1 or 2 times for every 6 rolls. So that wouldn't be a fair race. All right, let's move on to something like this. So I have a bucket. It has 4 white marbles, 3 red marbles, and 1 blue marble. So what's the probability of getting a red? Well, there's 3 red and 8 total, so 3 out of 8. Probability of getting a white, well, there's 4 total out of 8, so 1/2, 4 out of 8. Not getting a blue, well, there's only 1 blue, which means there's 7 not blues out of 8 marbles. Getting a red or a blue, so there's 3 red and 1 blue, which is 4. 4 out of 8 is the same thing as 1/2. Getting a purple, well, there's no purple in the bucket, so 0. Getting a red, white, or blue, well, there's 8 of those out of 8, so 8 out of 8, or 1. Alright, let's do some probability here. So let's do this, we'll say a couple times. So let's flip the coin, and we get a heads. Flip the coin, and we get a tails. Another tails. Another tails. Another tails. Do this until 10. Another tails. Heads. Tails. Tails. Last one. Heads. So there we go. On a coin where I should get 5 and 5, I ended up getting 7 and 3. So not really the same experimental than theoretical. Alright, let's do this one with the dice. I'll roll this 6 times and we'll see how many 5s I should get. Because I really should get it 1 time.
5.
Well, I already got it the first time. Let's see what happens these next 5 times.
2.
Okay, 4 more times.
1.
3 more times.
5.
There we go. Alright, 2 more times.
1. 4.
Alright, so I should have gotten a 5 1 of the 6 times, but I ended up getting a 2 the 6 times. And I don't think a 6 came up any time throughout that, so apparently 6 was the unlucky number for this dice.